I'm going to show you exactly how to make a vision board in Canva using an easy step-by-step method. This is perfect if you want to visualize your goals, set intentions, or create aesthetic inspiration, even if you are new to Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and type Vision Board into the search bar. Canva will show you a variety of templates you can choose from. Look for one that matches the vibe or aesthetic you want to use. Once you find a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Before adding your own images, it's important to understand how the template works. The images you see are placed inside placeholders called frames. To use these frames, you simply drag your own photos into them, and they will automatically snap into place. There are two ways you can work on your vision board. The first way is dragging images directly from the Uploads tab and replacing the template images one by one. This method is fast and convenient, but it can be confusing for beginners because the template images may look like your own. The method I recommend is removing the template images first. To do this, right-click on an image, select Detach Image, then delete the photo. Repeat this step until all template images are removed and only the empty frames remain. Once the frames are clear, start adding your own images by dragging them into each frame. Adjust and reposition as needed until your vision board feels aligned with your goals and aesthetic. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now have a vision board that feels personal, intentional, and visually inspiring. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.